今夜大型量販店のフロアで静かな攻防が始まる。店側は不自然な動きに気づいていた。カートに積まれる商品、袋に入る品々、会計は一部だけ。小売りの窃盗と警察に通報。警察が現場へ急行する。店員は言う。取引を最初から見ていました。袋に入れたのにレジは通していない。
Yes. Right. Yes, that you did not pay for it. So I paid for everything. You did not pay for everything. We watched your whole transaction. I'm trying to make this easy for you. You just need to come back to the office. I'm gonna write your name on a piece of paper. That's it. We already have your friend's car.
Come on, my friends in the car. I didn't come with no friends.
You came with two other ladies. I watched you the whole time. I know.
Okay, that don't mean I came with them. Just because we all walked in together.
So what do you want to do? Because I have help here. You have to come back to the office. I need to document all your information.
No, with somebody.
All right, we'll put it away.
I answered my phone call.
Okay. Well, you just want to arrest her, or do you want to go to the
arrest me for what?
For retail theft.
I'm not stealing anything. I bought these things in the car.
Okay, perfect. Then where's your receipt at?
My receipt's right here in my wallet. What are you talking about? Stop calling me. Alright, right here.
本人は主張する。全部払った。レシートはここにある。だが記載と中身が合わない。
All in is like a pair of panties out of like all that she has in here.
What's all this? You didn't pay for any of this. The Pokemon, that's not here. Stars above.
Oh, I'm supposed to put that back. I didn't realize.
Oh, you didn't realize it was in there. So what else didn't you realize what was in here? Like the Nerf gun or whatever that is on the bottom?
What do you guys have?
Bought that.
You bought this?
Yeah, it's right there on the. It says
okay, I don't know what it is. So, what that is? Did we buy that? Is this your bag or is this?
That's my friend's bag.
That's your friend's bag.
Emails in this car. What do you have, or what are you waiting for?
Yeah,
okay. Her friends don't have anything that we know.
Okay. All right.
Well, y'all can just take this whole cart then, because I don't take things that I paid for.
Okay, so I'm gonna sort with yours, and I'm taking back with mine.
I'm just saying this right here in the country time, and then the rest of the stuff.
What do you mean?
So
he said one of us to go there to figure it out. I don't see the point.
Hold on. Let me get your ID first. I want to know who you are.
I don't have my ID on me.
You don't have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a credit card with your name on it? A debit card with your name on it?
No, I don't.
So how'd you pay for this stuff? You
Cash.
paid cash?
Yeah, cash.
You paid cash?
It says right there on the thing.
It does. Oh man, you did pay cash.
Right.
With a snap. We can take a name.
Then I paid with cash.
All right, cool. Well, we can take a name from you.
Hold
on. Because you're not free to leave until I ID you, so just so
okay, Alize.
I'll put your receipt back.
ALIZE.
hey, can you guys bring the?
And do you have a middle name?
What's your last name? We'll do whatever you want. You need to get back in the office.
Yeah,
we're going back to the office. We're going back to the office. Let's go.
Go back to the office.
Let's go. We're going back to the office.
What's your birthday?
I don't know what you think.
92?
Yeah. 1992.
Great. Well, then let's go back to the office. Let's go back to the office.
Let's go all the way upstairs.
Yes.
I got somewhere to be.
That's too bad.
You're already here.
If you don't want to, then I'll just put your handcuffs. I'll take you to my station.
You're making it worse for yourself.
I'm not making. He got my name and everything. Y'all can. Y'all go work on your computers.
This is not. You think this is a fucking game? This ain't a game.
How do I think this is a game?
I'm sorry.
Like, do you want to go upstairs? It's your last opportunity.
Go upstairs for what? Y'all got my name.
To do your documentation for a ticket.
Documentation for what? Y'all can write a ticket right now.
No, what's your real name?
That's my real name.
Okay, how do you spell the last name?
情報が噛み合わない。協力すれば違反切符で済むこともある。拒めば身柄確保へ。
1992.
92? I didn't get anything back on that. You have an ID or
No,
DL?
I don't.
Do you have one out of a different state?
Yes, I do.
What state?
From New Hampshire.
New Hampshire?
Do you want to go upstairs with them and get a ticket? Or do you want to come with me?
I can't write a ticket right now.
Do you want to go upstairs and get a ticket? Do you want to go upstairs and get a ticket? No? Okay, that's fine. Then here, turn around.
You don't have to go. I'm going to go upstairs.
No.
I am going to go upstairs.
You're under arrest.
It's too late.
What are you talking about? I'm going to go right upstairs.
You think this is a game? Stop.
繰り返された警察への非協力的な態度。 警察の判断は決まっていた。
I was definitely gonna turn around.
You
Yeah,
definitely
well,
were
you
not.
didn't the first 3
Yes,
times I
I
asked.
was.
Let me see that.
I was gonna tell. I was trying to let. Like, what's the name of it? Oh my god.
I'm gonna go sort out this. Is that fine?
Thank you.
Okay.
What's not your stuff?
It's a lot, man. I gotta go through
But I mean-
this.
It's not a lot. It's
So
just
this
that
bag,
right there.
This bag is ours. I think this is ours too. This is the only bag she came in with, so I know these
That's
bags
it.
are mine.
That's the only bag she came in with. Is there stuff in here that's yours though? There's
No.
shoes in there.
That's my shoes that I've been having.
Okay, yeah, those
Those
look
shoes
worn.
are-
Yeah, those are worn.
Oh, those shoes.
These shoes right
Yeah.
here. These.
Let me
no.
see. Kick them off. Kick them off for a second.
What do you mean?
Kick them off. Like, take them off.
Just grab
What
it.
do you
We're gonna-
mean?
We're gonna like. Here, someone just took it. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Right, dirty.
Stop.
No, you're fine.
Stop.
What do you-
Stop?
What do you mean? I'm trying to put my shoe back on.
Stop. Stop.
I was gonna turn around.
Nothing more with the car.
No,
If you want to document who's in there.
no, Walsh's.
Oh.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
for retail.
But she didn't get in the car. How are we gonna do that? Are we gonna do that?
What? We can find
Just
out.
ID everybody in the car so we know where they are.
I agree. Can you identify the other occupants of that car? And Central, what plate comes back to that car that money who ran?
Like I was gonna turn around and go
No,
back to the.
you weren't.
Yes,
You
I
absolutely weren't.
was.
It's just a lie.
I was how? I was
That's
texting
fine.
my.
It's fine.
What?
Stop.
Y'all don't.
This phone, I think that phone case is ours. No,
That
actually,
phone is not y'all. That
I
phone
didn't say
case
the
is not
phone, bro. I
y'all.
didn't say the phone.
What are you talking about? No, that been in here since the last. What's the name? That's the last story.
The last store. You just put yourself. What store were you was at?
No, I'm talking about the store that I went to and bought this stuff.
Where at? 'Cause we don't. I don't think
Walmart.
Walmart don't sell Target stuff. You want so? Do
That's
you want
not
your,
Target
So
stuff.
do you want your other shoes back? So I can have my shoes back or what?
What do you mean my other shoes back?
Those shoes, I literally want you to take them off, try them out, look in the mirror. These are yours.
I did not
those are
look
mine.
in the mirror.
Why are you? You're already here, man. Like it's too late. just give me my
Take that
shoes.
shoe off.
I had these shoes.
Pick it up.
What are y'all talking
You
about?
walk around with 2 pairs of shoes?
No, I've been had these in my purse.
Is your name Boyd? That sounds familiar, right? That sounds kind of like your name, huh?
Boyd.
Yeah, Boyd.
What the fuck is Boyd?
Miss Boyd.
No.
What the fuck's Boyd? That's your name.
No, the fuck that's not.
Oh, whose car then?
Dog shoes, like dog. That dog is yours. We triple check.
Okay, you can put my wallet back in my purse.
Okay, I got. Hey, my bad. I'm not gonna take your money, bro.
I'm just saying.
You sure are sassy for a thief.
I'm always sassy.
So what's gonna happen is you're gonna be trespassed from this store for a year. You cannot come back. If
Okay.
you're gonna come back, you gotta call them again. Okay. You
That's
cannot step
fine.
foot in here. You can't piss in here. Anything.
She had a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It's not a lot.
She one of the shorts and one of the panties.
So this is ours, right?
Yep.
The shorts is hers. And then
So
one of
these
the
two
panties.
and one of the panties.
What color? Ask her what color.
Hey, do you know what color it was?
その後警察は所持品を仕分ける。支払い済みのものは返却。未会計は未成。履いていた靴まで確認の対象。
That was already in my bag.
Oh, this is all that's paid for?
Yep.
Oh,
This is hers.
quite a bit. Was this a self-checkout?
She concealed everything like on the floor, and instead checkout she only bought this. She didn't even present the other stuff to the people.
Oh,
アメリカでは小売店での窃盗は金額にかかわらず重大な犯罪。身元を偽る行為は別の容疑を生む。現場の警察は安全確保と証拠の保全を同時に進める。だからこそ身元確認の依頼は最初に行われる。
Put me in a car.
Yeah, you're coming to jail
For what?
for retail theft.
I just said that I was gonna turn around and
No, I
take my
just
things.
said that you weren't feeling to turn around.
Okay, well then
Let's
can
go.
no wait, cause
Oh, yeah,
y'all
your
finna
phone.
leave.
Stop.
Okay, I'm trying to bring that to the person in the car.
No, they don't get it.
they
Let's
can
go.
wait.
やがて容疑は固まる。小売窃盗、身元確認の妨害、さらに身分詐称の未執行令状も発覚。被害額はおよそ700ドル。
You said that you said that you didn't know them originally today because just because I came with them doesn't mean I know them.
I didn't say I said I didn't walk in with them.
Okay, well, so
I'm just saying 'cause
No,
I really want
it's
my
okay.
things with them.
that's okay. It's coming with me. Watch your head.
It's safer this way. That way you'll get it back when you go.
No, I
Have a seat.
just want it with them.
Female from over here.
You don't need a female. I just know.
Stop
I just, No, I'm just asking you.
I
Can
don't
you
know, man.
give that to
Can wait
them?
for the
That's it.
station.
That's
It's-
all.
What? Could wait either for the station or right here. I don't know. Could be safe.
Can I
and
text
just
them?
wait.
Just let her know. I ain't nothing in my head.
Okay.
Put my hat back on.
Turn around.
Wait.
Turn around.
Why?
Cause.
I have on a whole dress.
All right.
There's
sit down.
nothing.
Sit
Can I
down,
put my hat back on?
No, it's with me. Look on your back.
Wait.
Look on your back. Don't worry.
Can a lady come and grab my back? I'm
No,
just letting
sit
you know.
down.
Why not?
No, because
Okay,
I
I'm
said
sitting
so.
down, but
Get in.
I just no,
Get in.
because I want her
Get
to.
in.
I just want her to grab my
No,
thing.
it's all come with me. Let's go. Let's go.
I didn't do all
This
that. I'm
ain't,
just
this
saying.
ain't a fucking. This ain't a
I know
fucking
it's not no
negotiation. Turn around. Let's go.
game. I tried to turn around and y'all tried to,
Let's
y'all
go.
just instantly
Let's go.
handcuffed me,
Let's
and
go.
I'm just trying
Get in
to.
the car. Get
I'm
in the
just
car.
trying to get my
We're gonna
stuff
pull
to the
you in.
lady.
We're gonna pull you in the car. If you don't turn around.
Y'all don't have to put me in the car.
Well,
I
then
just want my
turn.
things with her.
Turn. Let's go.
It's gonna happen.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my gosh!
Let's go.
Can I get my things
Let's
with
go.
her?
No, here. Seatbelt safety first.
Why my things can't be with her?
Because they're coming with you, so nobody takes them.
No, but I'm trying to get in contact with her so she knows.
Too late.
It's not too late.
It is
I've
too
been
late.
trying to do. That's what I was already
Put your
doing.
leg in.
That's what I was
Put
already
your
doing when
leg
you tried to
in.
handcuff me and I was trying to turn around.
もしあなたがその場にいたらどう振る舞うのが最も賢明だっただろうか。